Hi guys and guys. I got grips in for the 2240 air gun, and they look like this. This is the new grips from my Alliance hobby, and there's the way they are that way. And they're Olympic style grips. Show you them this way. This is a pellet gun. Okay. And when you grip them, you can get used to them. You got a big hand. I've got a medium hand, but if you have a bigger hand, you'll even be more comfortable. I've got a TKL moderator on there and a aim point. So I just want to show you that. Shout out to Alliance Hobby. They did a good job in making these. I would suggest maybe just a little bit slimmer, but that's okay. See you for now.